up? It's Elaine. As you guys seen the title, I am going to talk about my hairline today. A lot of people recommended this video, so here I am doing this video today. So basically, what is hairline? Hairline is this hairline right here, not this hairline. I'm talking about this hairline right now, okay? So I personally don't know anybody that has like perfect hairline except for like celebrities. So I believe we're like kind of in the same page, but like if you have a good hairline, like you're blessed. Okay, so I first got super stressed about my hairline around like beginning of high school, especially when I like put like ponytails, because like you could only see the hairline, you know, and sometimes like I look bald. So I did a lot of research and I saw that people put makeup into their hairlines. So I started putting like black eyeshadow, like mixing it with brown, like every single day in the morning, like all around my hairline. But this would stress me out so much because first of all, it would always erase. And second of all, the color is like, it looked very unnatural. And third, it would take forever. So it was around my sophomore year in college. I got super stressed, so I did more research about it. And then I found this product right here from L'Oreal. It's Magic Root Cover Up. Yeah, it's not like a hairline stuff, but then like root cover up. Well, for instructions, it's kind of more for people that have like thin hair, but I saw a few tutorials using this for hairline, so I was like, okay, I gotta get this. So I got it. Well, how to use it? So basically, after I shower and my hair is dry, I kind of pull up my hair and then start spraying it. So I cover my face with my hand, kind of in a way that I want the line to be shaped, and just spray it from far away. And then as you see, it's very unnatural at first, so I blend it with my finger to look more natural. And if you see my middle part, like I have so much baby hair, but above the baby hair is kind of like empty, so I like to put it there as well. As you see, I have a lot of baby hair, but those baby hairs are not always in that form. A lot of times they're like pushed back, or when I'm like sweating, they're like clumped together as well. So what I like about this product is that it dries really fast, like really fast. And it's also smudge proof. Although like I like blend it, like after that, like even I touch my hair a lot. I go like this like every single second, you know, but it doesn't really smudge. Like it's there, it's not like sticky, it doesn't feel like anything. I forget about it. And y'all, I sweat with these on too. Like I'm dancing, I'm playing badminton, it's chilling, it's chill. Yeah, and it lasts really long. Apparently it says it lasts up to 1 shampoo. So yeah, I never swam with these, so I don't know if it's like waterproof, but I don't know, you could try. But the things I don't like about this, it comes out really harshly, like it's like pitch black, like yeah, I just wish it was just a little bit lighter so I could like adjust it a little bit better. So I try to like press it a little like light, but if I do it lightly, it kind of goes all over the place. Like I stained one of my shirts because of this, actually multiple shirts because of this. So I started to do it in my sink, and then my sink started to have like black dots. But those come off, so that's good. But I'm just trying to say, like, it kind of goes like away from my head. So do you get what I mean? No? Okay, it's okay. But if you guys have any better suggestions of products that you use for like hairline, you could totally leave it in the comment down below, because I want to know, and pretty sure my subscribers also want to know. So if you have tips, share it. Yeah. Well, to be honest, I thought a lot about this video because I didn't want to like expose myself, you know, but I think it's okay. If anybody is struggling like me, I'm more than happy to help you guys out. And I know throughout this whole video, you guys were just looking at my hairline, but in my next videos, don't look at my hairline too much because I feel kind of insecure. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video and it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe. And then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!